finally says the all-new DREAME H15 Pro CarpetFlex can handle carpet, but can it in fact handle this? Let's find out. No tangles, no problem. Let's talk. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we're unboxing and testing DREAME's brand new H15 Pro CarpetFlex wet and dry vacuum. The big deal? It's DREAME's first machine with a dual brush system designed for carpets. That means one vacuum, one click, deep cleaning your rugs, and tackling floor messes too. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so this is our packaging. This here's our box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so this is everything that it comes with. So right off the back, you got your base station. So this will be used for cleaning purposes as well as storage purposes. So when you're not using a specific brush like this one here, you can go ahead and leave it on the side. Our two different brushes, a standard hard floor roller and the brand new CarpetFlex brush. Not a weapon G1, carpet only. The older H12 Pro was a champ on hard floors, but carpets, not so much. The H15 Pro fixes that with a dedicated CarpetFlex brush with dual texture bristles for pulling dirt out of fibers. $23,000 PA suction, strong enough to lift debris from deep in the pile, and TangleCut 2.0. So human and pet hair don't wrap and choke the roller, as well as robot hair. And then it also comes with a brush, so you can use this to clean the hose when you're not using it. Just go to remove this particular part here. This is where you fill the water, and then you add the multi-surface floor cleaner solution. So you would add a capful into here with the water. Now this also comes off, so this here is going to be our canister housing our dirty water as well as any kind of debris that it might pick up. Now you can open that up by just doing this. And this will go ahead and remove. This is where all the gunk will be. You would want to rinse this. This is probably the cleanest we'll ever see it. It also has the filter here on the top, which you can remove. And then you technically would wash that, or you can swap it out with the extra filter that they've included. And that's all there really is to it. So with that said, let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. Watch how it handles everyday carpet mess. From fine dust to snack crumbs, the CarpetFlex brush digs into the fibers instead of just kind of skating on top. That's a real carpet clean, not just surface sweeping. And here's the nightmare for most rollers: long hair. TangleCut 2.0's denser comb teeth slices through and separate hair as it's pulled in. No clog, no scissors, no frustration.
Finally, I can shed hair and not feel bad.
Not the look I'd go for, but hey, the beauty here is versatility. Pop off the carpet brush, snap on the floor brush, and now you're scrubbing hard floor spills with hot water. Pop it back on, and you're carpet ready once again. One machine, all surfaces. Another hidden win is the MistLock Dust Control. It sprays a fine mist inside the vacuum, turning airborne dust into wet waste before it escapes. That means cleaner air, especially important for kids, pet, and allergy sufferers. When you're done, hit clean.
Start normal soaking self-cleaning with hot water. Press the self-cleaning button within 3 seconds to start deep soaking self-cleaning with hot water.
The hard floor brush rinses with 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. The carpet brush flushes with cold. Then the whole system dries at 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot air. No mildew, no funky smells, no nasty rollers in your sink. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it covers the whole house on a single charge. The GlideWheel 2.0 Assist makes it feel like it's self-propelled, even on carpet. So here's the verdict. If your home's got rugs or wall-to-wall, the KarpetFlex brush finally makes the DREAME a true all-surface cleaner. Add MistLock, self-cleaning, and the hot air drying system, this is the most complete DREAME yet. So with that said, be sure to comment down below who handled the hair better, the KarpetFlex or G1's new bald look. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you didn't, hit that dislike button twice, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care guys, bye bye.